Welcome to my YouTube channel. Gaspar Jorzo here. For the new viewers, don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel. So this is the Funko Pop unboxing video WandaVision part 2. So I have the part 1. I'll just put the link here. Just click on the top link. So that's the Halloween Wanda and Halloween Vision. So in this wave, I have the 717, which is Wanda 70's. I bought this by a Shopee online store from the Geek Ph Store. So at the back of the box, you can see there are other Jace variants of Vision, but I heard that there are Vision Jace variant for the 70s. So far I don't have that. I only have Wanda. So what's unique about this WandaVision Funko Pop? Even the box, you can see this illustration, this graphic here is different from other Funko Pop. They are, I think it's more 3D and the glossy version of it. So, and also the Funko Pop is unique. Why? Because she's pregnant in her maternity. Anyway, so she's all alone so far, so I hope I will get the Jace variant of Vision in the 70s. So let's open this Funko Pop and let's see all the details about these figures. Enjoy. Happy holidays, you guys. Finally, we have the WandaVision 717 Wanda 70s. This Funko Pop doesn't come with a blast protector, but anyway, this is well packaged, so no problem with that. So at the back of the box, we have the 713 Wanda 50s, 714 Vision 50s, and we have the 715 Wanda Halloween and 716 Vision Halloween. So far for the Wanda 70s, we don't have the Vision 70s. I think he's a Jace variant Jace, so far it's not available in the online store where I bought this Funko Pop. So I hope to collect him and other version of Vision variant Jace. So far this Funko Pop is very unique because, you know, the graphics here is different from any other Funko Pop in this collection. So this is more like the illustration is more like 3D, that are very cartoonish, as you can see. So WandaVision is coming this December, so I'm excited to watch the series if it's available in the Philippines. So unfortunately, I heard that it's not available in the Philippines. So this Funko Pop is unique because she is pregnant. I never saw so far a Funko Pop that is pregnant or in maternity form. So she comes with a figure stand, and at the bottom of her feet, there's a plastic tie there, so I don't know how to remove that one. So let's try. Okay, I need a scissors for this one. So far I just need to cut them, so I'm using the bandage scissor, so for safety. So here we have Wanda in her 70s. So she's pregnant, she's holding a bowl of fruit, because all this fruit is very healthy for pregnant women, and she is holding, I think, an orange on her right hand. She has these very colorful cardigans. The back of the figure is very nice. Her hair is very smooth, it's quite unique, it's not that very glossy, and she has this ginger color, which is one of my favorite hair color in the world, to have a very ginger red hair. So anyway, let's see if she can stand on her own. Oh yeah, she can stand on her own. So let's put her on the stand, and here she is. So this is the Funko Pop of Wanda 70s. So far, I have no problem with this Funko Pop, unlike the other version of the Funko Pop. There's no blood paint here anywhere. There's coloration of her. Everything is great. Everything is good. Everything is so far perfect. Yeah, there's a perfect Funko Pop for me. So I like the hair color, I like the design for this. It's very unique. It's really depicts from the WandaVision TV series where she's pregnant. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Happy holidays, you guys.